I went for auto collision, and I think it was probably one of the best choices I've ever made in my life. My mom said something to me one day, and she said, life is about, creating opportunities and opening doors. And when you do that, you don't shut any doors. And this was that same opportunity. I got to go to Scarlet Oaks my last 2 years of high school. I still got to play ball. I still got my high school diploma from Madeira. I still, if I wanted to, could have gone to college to play ball. But I also had this career path lined up. I think Great Oaks prepared me for where I am now, as far as a lot of the personalities of the staff there. But they give you something to chew on, and it's up to you to take it and run with it. And I think that's one thing that the Oaks does great, is they teach kids that, it's not necessarily that they don't care or they don't have a good work ethic, they don't know how to use it yet. They get sidetracked. They were able to, I was one of those kids, that's where I'm going with this. They were able to teach me how to slow down and take pride in what I'm doing and make it worthwhile. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. There's no point in rushing it. Just the diversity in culture, it was really cool getting to experience that at a younger age. You take this group of kids from all over the city, all different kind of social classes, all different kind of communities, throw them all into one building for 2 years, and it's cool, it happens. A big part of my job is customer service, and I think that's one of the reasons I'm so good at it, is because you get thrown into this realm of diversity, and you just got to make friends with everybody, and that's customer service. So right now I'm working McCluskey Chevrolet in the body shop and collision center. We have 2 locations. I'm one of the managers here. My role is basically to solve problems, and that's the best way to put it. When they go to school at Scarlet in high school, they get the same exact credit and class that I have to take for all my certifications here. And that's important. It actually helps you get a job because we pay for those for our employees. And if it's the same training that I'm getting, that my technicians are getting, they already have it in their head, which is huge, because they already know what you're telling them when we're training them and molding them to be a good employee here. I went to high school, I went to Scarlet Oaks, I got a job, and now this is where I'm at 5 years later. I can't wait until I'm 55, 60 years old, ready to retire, and see where I'm at there. It's humbling, it's cool.